Tiger Trader, and today I'll be talking about order volatility and order types available on the Tiger Trade app. There are two major types of orders you can do on the Tiger Trade app: market and limit, including a few other variations of them. Let's start with market orders. A market order is an order to buy or sell a stock at the market's current best available price. A limit order executes a buy or sell of a stock in the future at a specific or better price. A stop-loss order will sell a stock when it drops to a specified price, mostly used to minimize loss. A stop-limit order, on the other hand, sets prices in a range and will not completely sell unless it reaches the lower threshold. These uncertainties in order executions is called order volatility. Hope you learned something. Good luck on your trading! Tiger Brokers, a part of your life.